Leave me alone.
All right.
Leave me alone.
All right.
Leave me alone.
All right.
Oh, and then what is this? Oh, that fits right fucking there too.
Sam, what you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy? You look.
Come on. Mom!
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, exit my dog!
You're one ugly little dog.
I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely. It's okay, don't cry. You're fine. You'll get it back. I don't want to play. I don't want to play.
Boy, did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
Show me your cheese. No. Oh my god.
Go again. That's it. Go.
You're adopted. Stop, I'm joking, I'm joking.
Mama?
What the f***? Don't flip!
You can't come. I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this.
Darius! Thanks for holding the drink.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile.
You on the playground? If you're happy and you know what say I will. High five. Too slow. High five. High five. You pop too slow.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, exit my dog!
Show me your cheese.
No.
Oh my god.
You want to go down this hill with me? All right, let's go. Man, it's so white up here. It's like a sheet of paper, man. So somebody's dog. That's my dog. But
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marshall. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Excuse me.
What about it?
Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
Hey, look at all these wieners.
Hi, Wiener.
Get back in the car. Excuse me, please, we're poor. Please, we have to buy you food. Please take this.
Did you miss Elena?
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? It hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married a long time ago.
Mama. She's afraid of Mom.
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Oh my god.
Winnie's ears are long enough that they sit in her food when she's eating now and get dirty, so I'm gonna have to start tying her ears back when she eats. You're not gonna like that. Are you okay?
Hi, I have an appointment today.
He's new. Sorry. It's a vanilla ice jar dipped in cinnamon sugar topped with whipped cream, cinnamon toast crunch, a blondie, and a melted cookie butter drizzle.
Yo, here's a challenge for everyone. Act like you die in front of your dog and see what his reaction is.
Oh, see how annoying it is when somebody wakes you up while you're sleeping? Oh, I'm sorry.
What are you doing? We're eating, bud. Oh my god.
She's chewing on your tail, man.
Huh?
No bite.
Riley, look at me.
Another one.
Allowed on the bed, you. No!
If you don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
Distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinct.
Oh my god.
That butt. Let me spank that butt.
To speak my dog's language.
And you on the playground?
You wanna go outside? You want some big booty bitches? Just like your old man.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Ow! What are you doing?
Yeah, baby, let's...
Ready to go?
What are you doing?
Can you show me your booty?
Who let the dogs out? Oh,